Welcome to Cisco Secure Firewall Licensing Series. My name is Chakshu Kriplani and I'm a technical marketing engineer with Cisco. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use specific license reservation on FMC. Let's dive in straight to the demo. Alright, so I've got a Cisco Secure Firewall Management Center and a virtual firewall as well. And if I go into my smart licensing page, right now everything is unregistered. And the first step is to go into the CLI and type in the command sudo manage slr.pl. Once you go ahead and do that, it's going to ask you for the password of your firewall management center. Once you have successfully entered your password, it's going to give you multiple options. Just for verification purpose, I'm going to check what is the current state of my SLR. SLR is not enabled on FMC at the moment, right? So we're going to go ahead and enable it by choosing option 2, and this is going to take some time. Alright, successfully enabled SLR. We can go ahead and exit from this option now. Move back to the GUI. If I go into the settings, I see that instead of smart licensing, I've got specific licenses. Once I go ahead and click on it, I get options to go ahead and generate a code. First thing is to go ahead and generate the code, copy that code, and move on to your smart software licensing page. Once you've successfully logged into the smart licensing page, you have to go and select license reservation. Put in the code and select next. Now, since I know that I've got virtual firewall and a virtual management center, I'm gonna specifically choose the licenses that I need, right? So I know that my firewall is of an older version, which is 6.7. So I'm gonna choose the licenses accordingly. The above licenses are for tiered based licenses, which is a concept that we're gonna cover for 7.0. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and select one Firepower Management Center Virtual Device License, one Firepower Threat Defense Base License, one Malware Threat License, URL License. And once we have completed all the licenses that we need, we select Next. You're gonna get a verification screen so that you can review and confirm that you've got all the licenses that you need, and then you generate an authorization code. And in step 4, you get an authorization code. You can either copy to clipboard, create a text file and paste it in there, or you can simply go ahead and download it as a file. Now, I've got authorization code sn3.txt, which I'm gonna go ahead and browse to. Once I've selected this, all I have to do is select install. This will automatically get those licenses onto my FMC, and I can go ahead and directly go to my device management and edit the licenses and enable those licenses, and will start consuming the licenses that I just got from my specific license reservation. Okay, let's go back to the specific license reservation and verify that we have got the licenses and we are consuming, and we are all authorized, registered, everything in compliance. And in order to check the reserved licenses, you can go ahead and select the reserved licenses tab over here, and that will display you all the licenses that you have reserved from the smart licensing. In order to go ahead and return these licenses, you can go ahead and select this return SLR button and select yes. This will give you a return code that you can go ahead and copy and paste into your smart account. So you go back to your Cisco Smart Central page, go to product instances and select remove. This will ask you for the reservation return code. Paste in that, remove reservation. And that's how all the licenses that were previously reserved have been returned back to my smart software licensing page. I hope this has been informative, and I would like to thank you for viewing it.